Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a test on Google Forms with questions and answers. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main website URL you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page where in the upper right corner we can get started signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log in normally to your Google account. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. This is going to be the main page right here where we can get started creating a new form. If you don't already have one, we can take a look at all the recent forms we have created and so on. And now let's go and take a look at how to create test. Basically, first things first, you're going to go ahead and open up the blank form option right here. You can use any of the templates if you want, but the best option for a test is the blank form option. It's going to open up this form menu right here where you can get started with giving your form a name, description, and so on. So I have already created a form here. It is my tutorial form. That is, as you can see, tutorial form for a video where now I can get started. So basically, guys, this is where we can get started creating our test. Here we can go ahead and add as many questions as we want. As you can see, I have created a question right here. Now you have some options as answers that people will be able to choose. You can go and select what kind of answers you want. If you want multiple choice, check boxes, short answers, paragraphs, and so on, you can choose any of the options right here. And once you want to add even more questions to create your test, just click the plus button right here at the right side of the page where you can go ahead and get started with adding new questions, giving them answers, and so on, so that people will be able to fill out the test. As you can see, you can even remove any questions you don't want to use, and with that you can get started creating your test. After that, you can just publish it normally and send it to your students or whoever you want and get started using those answers. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.